Hi guys, my name is Akanta. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys have the greatest day and of course the greatest week. So today I'm going to be making some brownies for Thanksgiving. So yeah, I'm not making anything else because I don't have the proper ingredients, but it's okay because we're making brownies. First thing we're going to need is your brownie mix. You can use whatever brownie mix you want, but I'm using Gardella, so it's okay. For now, I'm just going to take one of these to make and to, eat. Okay, so first we're gonna get the brownie packet. So rude. We're gonna cut a little bit because if we don't want all of it, at least we won't like waste it. Wayne won't budge. So rude. No manners. Okay. Got it open. Now we're going to put as much as we want in the bowl. Whoa. You guys could see the little mountain. Okay. We're gonna just add, I think the rest of one packet will be good for now. Actually, for now, I think it'll be good forever. Mountain. Now we're gonna go get a cup of water, so we'll see you then. Let us pour. Ho ho ho. You can really see it. Okay, we're gonna start to mix it. Now, after mixing it, most of it is actually in the batter. Most of the water is actually in the batter. Now, I'm gonna take a little bit of oil, and I'll show you how much, and put it in here. I have the oil. I can't even show you. This is how much oil I about have. This is the bowl size. Do you math? Oh. Okay, anyways. Okay, we're gonna put this in the brownie mix. Just a little bit by little, because I don't want to add too much. Okay, you know what? We're putting forget it, we're putting all of it. Let's mix. Mix. This is for my mixing, wow. Mixing, by the ways. It has to be really thick, and if it's not really thick, then, you need to add more of the batter, but it depends on, on the mix. And I put a lot, and I think the oil is actually fine for now because we are adding more thick ingredients into it. So yeah. So now I'm going to take one egg, and you could take two for your batter too, but it depends on if it looks thick enough. So let's do this. Okay. Yas. We're gonna put this to the side and wipe my hand. We're gonna, I don't know if you can see it, but, oh yeah, you can, kind of. We're gonna smish it, just blend it into the mix. Okay, it's working. Oh my goodness. Time lapse, please. Totally going on time lapse right now. Totally not editing only. I think I might need another egg, so let's get one. We got one. Okay. Crack number 2. Whoa. Okay. It feels so bad. And smish. I need to break it so I can like mix it in. Wooch. Whoa. The oil is like dripping. I think it'll taste fine, so it tastes really good, so we're good for now. Okay. Stop the time lapse. Stop the time lapse. Ho ho ho. Oh ho ho. Ew, I taste the egg on my nails. Really disgusting. Okay, anyways, now I need a pan so I can actually put the brownies in. So, ho ho ho. So, my batter's finished and it looks really nice right now. So, hee. It's great, and I finished the oven. Okay, so now we put it in the oven and it's baking, and it's at 375 degrees. I'm gonna wait, oh my gosh, I'm gonna wait about like 30 minutes and we'll see if it's a little bit more baked. So after I took it out of the oven for like maybe like an hour or so, this is how it came out. It's really fluffy and it's actually really good. You can poke it with a fork or whatever. It's really hot at the moment, but it's getting cooler, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications button. We will be doing a 25 days of December thing that people are doing, and that basically means that I'll be posting every single day of December. So today I'm going to be posting this video. All my videos for this month will be posted at 6 o'clock or 6:15. 6 through 7 is my main timing. Please like and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications one more time because it's super important for me to reach 100 subscribers. That's all I'm asking for. In the next video, bye!